So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend on our Swiss franc JPY. Remember one thing, guys. First rule is know your trend. Second rule, you need to trade with trend. So you need to know what the trend is, right? You need to know what the market is doing in order for you to trade with it, right? You would want to trade with one of the trend or the market and not against the trend. Now let's zoom it out. What can we say the trend is on our Swiss franc JPY? It is very simple. We are in a ranging market move. Although the overall trend, the main trend is an uptrend move. I mean, it was once trending to the upside, right? Giving a series of higher and higher before market got to this level and it started, ranging. So markets tapped this resistance zone, rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support, right? Market also rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance. Then it rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap the support. Also rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance. Now markets eventually rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. So with this movement right now, the market has rejected from the support. We are now expecting market to continue to push up. It is able to hit our resistance level. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So we should be expecting for a movement to the upside on our Swiss franc JPY. Now let's do that to the 1 hour time frame. Right, so this is it right here. This is the high, right? Market eventually drop, give us a rejection, right? Which make it push up. Market eventually came back again to retest it, right? Which eventually rejected and push up, right? This gave us a multiple rejection here. Now market eventually push up. Now with this movement, we should expect market to pull back, then it should push up again. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is still what we should be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.